US President Donald Trump has extended the current trade truce with China for another 90 days, postponing the expiration of the agreement that was set for just after midnight on Tuesday. In a post on his Truth Social account, President Trump said he had signed the executive order for the extension and that all other elements of the agreement would remain unchanged. Without the extension, US tariff on Chinese imports could have risen above the existing 30% rate, with China expected to respond by increasing its own tariffs on US goods. The additional time is intended for both sides to continue negotiations, with the possibility of a summit between President Trump and Chinese President Xi Jinping later this year. Business groups, including the US-China Business Council, have described the extension as an opportunity to address trade issues and provide greater certainty for companies operating in both markets. Ongoing discussions include topics such as market access, agricultural and energy exports, and a potential agreement on fentanyl controls, which could lead to adjustments in tariffs on both sides. Since the start of the year, US tariff rates have increased from around 2.5% to an average of 18.6%, according to the Budget Lab at Yale University. China has also used measures such as controlling access to rare earth minerals, essential for industries from electric vehicles to defense manufacturing, as part of its negotiation position. In June, both countries announced steps to reduce trade tensions. The US eased export restrictions on certain technologies and materials, while China facilitated greater access for US companies to its rare earth supplies. In May, the two sides also agreed to reduce tariffs that had previously climbed to more than 100%, a move aimed at avoiding severe disruptions to trade and financial markets. Current tariff levels remain high but below those earlier peaks. The 90-day extension keeps negotiations on track for now, but significant differences remain, and the outcome of these talks could shape the next phase of US-China trade relations.